Assalamu alaikum. Hi, dear student. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Can Public School and College, Sodhpur. Today I'll solve some math on exercise 13.1. We have already taken one class. The first class I discussed the sum of first in terms of an arithmetic series and how to find in terms of an arithmetic series. If chapter 13.1, if first term is equal to A, common difference D, so n term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, we can determine how many numbers are in on that arithmetic series. This is first formula. Second, sum of first n term, this will be n by 2 twice A n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference between any two successive number. We can determine the number of term in last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. These three very important for solving some math on exercise 13.1. Dear student, you will try to memorize this three. I am writing from exercise 13.1, question number 14. If the 16th term of an arithmetic series is minus 20, what will be the sum of the first 31 terms? Here first I will take A is the first term and D is the common term, so I'll use n term of an arithmetic series. We know this will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, first I'll determine the relation A and D. With the help of this, I'll find the sum of first 31 terms. Okay, first let first term be A and common difference here D. N term of the series will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So what will be 16 term of the series? Here A plus 16 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 15D. According to this question, the 16th term of the series here minus 20. So according to questions, A plus 15D is equal to minus 20. Therefore, the sum of the first 31 terms, this will be n by 2 twice A n minus 1 into D. So twice A 31, the value of n, this will be 31 minus 1 into D, that is n by 2 twice A 30D. N by 2, dear learners, here 31 terms. So the value of n, this will be 31. 31 by 2, 31 by 2. There is 31 by 2. If we take common 2 here, then we get A plus 15D. 2 will cut, 31. Here A plus 15D, this is equal to given minus 20, that is here have minus sign, 0 to 620. The sum of first 31 terms of that series will be minus 620. This is the answer. I'll solve 15. First I am writing this question 15. The sum of the first n terms, the sum of the first n terms of the series 9 plus 7 plus 5 is minus 144. Find the value of n. Given the series here 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus dot dot dot. So here first term A is equal to 9, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, 7 minus 9, this will be minus 2. So I want to find the sum of first n terms of this series. So sum of first n terms, this will be n by 2 twice a n minus 1 into d. Here a is equal to 9, that is 2 into 9, n minus 1, and d here minus 2. N by 2, 18, here I have minus sign, so minus 2n plus 2. N by 2, 20 minus 2n. If we take common here 2, then we get 10 minus n, 20 will cut, we get 10n minus n square. We know the sum of first term of this series is here minus 144. So according to this question, 10n minus n square is equal to minus 144. According to questions, minus 144 is equal to 10n minus n square. Or if we write all terms in left side, then we get here n square minus 10n minus 144. And to make this expression needed to factor by using middle term, then we get here 18n plus 8n minus 144. If we take common n here, n minus 18, this also we get here n minus 18, n plus 8. Either n minus 18 is equal to 0 or n is equal to 18, n plus 8 is equal to 0 or n is equal to minus 8. Since here n is the number of term, so the value of n is never be negative. So the value of n is equal to minus 8 is not acceptable. Which is not acceptable. This is very easy. I'll solve another one. So the number of term of this series will be 18. Here 18 answer. Now 90. If the sum of if the sum of 12 terms of an arithmetic series is 144, and the first 20 terms is 560. Find the sum of find the sum of the first 6 terms. Here, if the sum of 12 terms of an arithmetic series are 144 and the first 20 terms is here 560. So I have to find the sum of the first 6 terms of that series. Let first term be A and common difference B D. So according to this question, the sum of first 12 terms of that arithmetic series will be 144. So the sum of first 12 terms is 144, or here number of terms 12, so 12 by 2 twice A, 12 minus 1 into D is equal to 144. Therefore 6 twice A 11D is equal to 144, or twice A 11D 144 by 6, twice A 11D, this will be 24. Similarly, the sum of first 20 terms, this will be 560. So 20 by 2 twice A, and no, here number of terms 20. 20 minus 1 into D is equal to 560, or 10 twice A 19D is equal to 560. That is twice A 19D is equal to 56. We get two equations. Now I will subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1, then we get twice A plus 19D is equal to 56. Twice A plus 11D is equal to 24, minus twice A and twice A will cut, then we get 8D is equal to 232. That is D is equal to 4. So I'll find the sum of first 6 terms. The sum 20 terms will be 20 by 2 twice a 20 minus 1 into d. At 10, sorry, the sum of first 6 term will be 6. The sum of 6 terms is 6 by 2 twice a 6 minus 1 into d, or 3 twice a 6 minus 1, that is 5d. If we write here twice a plus 19d minus 14d, at twice a 19d minus 14d, this is equal to 5d. We know twice a plus 19d is equal to 56. 56 here 14, the value of d here 4, 4 14 here 56, so value of 6 term of this series will be 0. Thanks for watching my class.